What we're looking at here is a Casablanca next generation Zephyr. And I don't know if if you can really see it on camera right now, but this thing is in really rough shape. So we'll get a look at it here. You can see the switch housing is all scratched up. The bottom switch cap is all scratched up. And if I spin it real slowly and you look closely, the blades are all mangled and bent out of shape. They were a lot worse, but I bent them back to where it's somewhat decent, but it's still kind of bad. Start off on low. This next generation Zephyr actually goes high, medium, low instead of low, medium, high. And you can see how screwed up those blades are. It really just mainly looks like that one, for the most part, is bent upwards. Here's medium. Despite the blades being very mangled, this thing doesn't really wobble much really at all, which I'm kind of surprised. When I first got it, before I bent the blades back to where they should be at all, it used to wobble really bad. But like I said, I was able to bend them back and make them a little better, because before the fan would shake all over the place. Now it's pretty still. And here's spin down. I'm really not sure what year this fan is from. It might say it on top. I'll show the top stickers in a minute. I don't really know much of anything about these next generation fans, as I don't really collect them. I don't even know how well that can be seen. It's hard to get the camera up there because there's this pipe in the way here, but yeah, that's about all I got for the Casablanca next generation Zephyr.